Look, here's the thing. If studying feels hard, it's not because you're stupid. It's because the way you're studying is not working. Harvard students are not born smarter than you. They get distracted too. They feel tired too. The difference is simple. They study in a smarter way. Most students sit for hours with books open. They read again and again. They highlight lines. And they feel like they studied a lot. But later, they forget everything. So today, I'll share 4 study techniques Harvard students actually use. No motivation speech. No big words. Just simple truth. Technique 1. Active recall. Here's an honest truth. Reading your notes again and again does not help much. It feels easy, so your brain thinks, I already know this. But when the exam comes, your mind goes blank. Harvard students do something different. After studying, they close the book, and they ask themselves, what do I remember? They try to remember without looking. It feels difficult, but that difficulty helps your brain learn. If studying feels too easy, it is probably not helping. Technique 2. Short, focused study. Studying for long hours does not mean learning more. When you study for 5 hours straight, your brain gets tired. Your focus goes down. Harvard students study in short sessions, about 25 to 45 minutes. Then they take a short break. This keeps the brain fresh. Your problem is not that you don't have time. The problem is how you use your time. Short and focused study works better. Technique 3. Teach what you learn. This is very simple. If you can't explain something, you don't really understand it. Harvard students teach what they study. They explain it to friends. They explain it to a mirror. Sometimes they explain it to themselves. When you teach, you find what you don't understand. And then you can fix it. Being busy does not mean real learning. Understanding does. Technique 4. Goal-based studying. Most students say, I will study for 2 hours. Harvard students say, I will finish this chapter, or I will solve these questions. Studying with clear goals helps the brain focus. It removes confusion. It gives direction. You study to finish a task, not just to pass time. Reality. Check. Here's the truth. Harvard students don't depend on motivation. They depend on good study methods. Motivation comes and goes. Habits stay. If you change how you study, your results will change. You don't need to go to Harvard to study like this. You just need to start using better methods. Now tell me honestly in the comments, which study technique do you not use right now?